Hey friends, it's Monday night, 8 p.m. and it's finally nice enough weather to be outside. I know, 8 p.m., right? It's July, so it's been hot all day. So I'm going to be digging in the dirt in this area right here and doing some planting. Let's go. This is where I'm going to be digging and planting. These are some of my plants, how they're doing. The hardest part is done. Orange bell pepper, basil, orange bell pepper, basil, orange bell pepper, orange bell pepper, basil, watermelon. Now I'm gonna put this gardening soil in. My kids are coloring their roof with chalk. Okay, I'm gonna water my garden. I got a fussy baby. Aw, face. This is what happens when I try to get gardening done. The baby wants his mama. Digging is a good workout. Are we gonna swing on the swing?
I push higher.
Ooh. Whee.
Hold on, look. Higher.
Whee. Hold on. Is that funny? He loves it. Look at my family.
Mosquito on Caleb's mouth, so I
Thank you for getting the mosquito off the baby. Whee! You having fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whee! Oh. Whee! You having fun? Do you guys like the swing?
Yeah.
The B-I-B-L-E.
Mommy, I have a better idea instead of standing on that after you swing.
Okay.
All of us can play in the backyard.
Okay.
And Mommy, where is the sign? Study stick. Where is study stick?
Okay, I don't know what stick you mean, love.
The black stick.
I have no idea.
She's talking about where's the...
Oh, you're talking about Daddy's leaf blower?
Why? Yeah!
Oh, you're
To
funny.
make snakes.
Oh, you're talking about the fireworks. Oh, you're talking about the lighter.
See?
Yeah, I know where that is, but we're going to do fireworks on a day that Daddy's not tired, okay?
Well, tomorrow.
We'll see if Daddy's tired or not at night tomorrow. Say wee! You having fun? I love Caleb's laugh.
Caleb loves this one. Whenever you put him in that swing, he doesn't like it.
He loves to swing with his family.
Mommy, when I put him swing in a mess, he can... Okay, good.
Aww.
He likes it.
He loves that. That's his family on the swing with him. Joshua, you having fun? Yeah, having fun. Esther, you having fun?
But can I hold the baby after?
Yeah, right now he's in a good safe spot for the swing though.
Mike, can we go play in the backyard now?
Sure. Now we're on the back patio. Turn your handle up.